So in this video we will look at some links. What is absolute path? And for link we use absolute path, and for absolute path we need to create a path that is exactly of that website. If we want to create a link so that we paste the link of that website or any link we want to open in our internet browser. So let's see how does it work. For this I need to create a new file with the absolute path path.html. So I need to create a skeleton for that and rename that with absolute path. So what I need to do, I need to create the link for that. So I need to create the anchor tag. Anchor tag is what we use for the link. So for that I want to write Google, and I want to write www.google.com. So let's see the result. So I will copy the path and paste over here, and when I want to click on Google, and I should follow the link on this link google.com, but it's not working because for absolute path we need to copy and paste the exact path of the website. So what we can do, we need to go to Google website google.com, and it will give us the complete path for that. So we need to copy that, and we need to write https:// so I can write like this. So okay, so this is, you need to copy this path and paste over here. Okay, so now save the file and now refresh your page. Okay, so now refresh your page, and now if you click over here, okay, now go back. So if we refresh the page and we go to this link, it will work fine because we need to paste the absolute path for that. And this path will be followed along. So if I want to write another link like anchor tag and https://www.udemy.com and save this file, and now you can refresh the file. Okay, you need to write the name. Click here for Udemy. Okay, so like this you can write the name to be shown, displayed on the page, and you need to refresh the page. Now you can see that. If I put br tag, so it will be okay, it will be moved to the next line. If I click over here, you can see that I am going to Udemy website. I will be moved to Udemy website. So this is how we can work with anchor tag. What if you want to open the file into a new tab? So what do you need to do? For that you need to, if I come here and I refresh the page, if I click here, it opens in the same tab. So if I click over here and I want this to open in the next tab, so for that I need to write target underscore blank. So because of writing over this target is equal to blank, I will be able to to open into next tab. So if I click here, the path will be open in the next tab. So this, if I click here, and this is being opened in the same tab, and this the Google open in the next tab. So I can do this with the Udemy also. Target is equal to underscore blank. So I will be able to open this in the next tab. Another tag that is also a link tag, and the attribute we use for that is a relative path. A relative path means if you want to open any file that exists in the local directory or within a folder or within your computer, or any if you upload the same file on the web, so you can access the local directory file. So for that we use relative path. So let's see how does it work. For that you need to create a new file with relative.html and create HTML skeleton and relative path, relative path.html. So I have a folder within this file. So what I need to do, so I have one image for file in my same directory where my code exists. So I can have the property for that. So I can see that this is .png file. I have renamed the file with the html.png. So I will come here and I will write my code over here. So I will write anchor tag for that, and for that I need to write html.png. If I click over here, HTML logo. Okay, so I will save the file and I will copy the path, and let's see the result. So if I paste the link of the file, I will refresh the page. So you can see that this is the link where on which if I click, and what's the problem for that, and I will refresh the file, and you can see that this is the file which exists in the same directory, and I have the relative path for that because this is the file exists in the same directory in the same folder. And if I click over here, so I can see that if I refresh the page and I click over here, I will copy the path and I will paste over here. Okay, so let's refresh the page, and so I have kept my picture in the images folder. So what I need to do, I need to come here and I have to give the reference of that file. So what I need to do, I have the relative path, this file over here. So what I need to do, I need to give the path of this images folder, and yeah, I can access the file. So I need to place the images like this and / and write the image name. So I will copy the path, and this is how we can do that. We can copy the path and paste over here, so you can access the image like this.